to do a quick follow-up to my Echo Park after notifying them that the coffee set was missing its stickers. On Monday, they got this to me a day ago, so I was really impressed. So let's see what we got. Hopefully, oh wow, here we go. And they sent me the stickers. So these are the stickers that go with the coffee set I got. And yeah, you can see them pretty well, but I really like these flags. Those are really cool. There's a lot of really good like sentiment pieces in this particular set. I like these sets that don't have too many huge stickers. Like if we look at like the summer set, for instance, like these are pretty big stickers. Like these would be pretty hard to use on a card, but like I think in this particular set, like the Teen Boy Spirit, interestingly named, but this one is like the coffee one too, basically, where you have a lot of smaller images, which are just going to be great on an A2 card. Just for sake of remembering, this is the paper that comes here, and we flipped through this a little bit, but you can sort of get a good sense for what we get. It comes with a lot of this particular one comes with a lot of cut aparts. Not sure if I'll use them, but I do like the coffee drinks, and like this coffee bean one is really neat. And of course, I'm a big fan of plaid, as we know. The floral's nice too. Not quite me. Oh, I like this. The stripe is cool. This chalkboard one is neat as well. Anyway, so very cool that they were able to get that to me and basically finish off my set. So Echo Park, definitely would recommend their customer service. They did an awesome job. And I will talk to you guys later.